I found this on the boundary between our land and uzu.J.Ugezu.
My fellow elders, this stone is useless to us. We don't have any need for it.
I see war coming.
What?
And a lot of people will die.
There is no way I will sit as king of Esin presently and allow the people of uzu.J.Ugezu to take what rightfully belongs to us.
We will subdue Esin. We will sack their king, and Esin shall become part of uzu.J.Ugezu kingdom.
I feel incomplete as a prince of this kingdom, father. Our people are at war. The youth are on the battlefield. And yet you ask me to stay here and do nothing?
In our culture, the king remains a king until death, and I am still the king of uzu.J.Ugezu.
Your evil has made you think that you are a god. You will be exposed to the gods and you will swallow your own words.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.